We want to set up our Scratch project. The first thing that we want to do is to add the when clicked event for the start flag. After that, we want to set up our position. So we want to make sure that we have our sprite selected, and then we select the go to X and Y, and then we point in the direction of 90. And the next thing we want to do is to set our costume. So we want to make sure it says switch costume to, and then we select the right costume. We also want to set the size, maybe 100%, and also clear graphics. Now, these are just the settings here for the very beginning, and of course you can reorganize them as you need, and then you can simply click and drag into the other sprites. Now, the other sprites, though, are going to have other X and Y coordinates that they start at, so you want to update those, and you can see that I'm doing that right now, and then I set the new costume, and once I've done that, I kind of reorganize it, and there you go. You can repeat this process, but this is the best way to set your projects at the very beginning.